2, 3. Test. Oh, is it day 4 already? Is it time for another Totally Dazzled DIY project? Why, I think it is. Welcome to day 4 of the Totally Dazzled DIY Project Week. I hope you have liked what you've seen so far. I love how everything has turned out. I hope you guys will recreate them and tag me on Instagram and let me see what you did with your Totally Dazzled products. If you cannot participate in the videos or the Totally Dazzled Project Week video challenge, leave me a tag on Instagram or send me your photos and I will create a page just to the Totally Dazzled projects that you do. So yeah, that's what we'll do. So if you can't participate in the video, send me a photo of one of your Totally Dazzled projects. I would love to see them and I will feature them on my Instagram page. So let's get on with day 4 of Totally Dazzled DIY Project Week. We are going to do a designer canvas using this Louis Vuitton cutout, or actually it's an image that I googled on Yahoo, and we are going to create a fabulous canvas to go in my home office. So we are going to be using Totally Dazzled bling wrap. So if you want to see how it turns out, keep watching. So we have our letter cut out, our logo, using our Totally Dazzled bling wrap. This is what it looks like. It's a little hard to cut bling wrap. I'm trying to get it as perfect as I could, and this is what I have come up with. So now we are going to glue it to our canvas. And I am going to use some Elmer's clear school glue to do this because it's what I have and I think it will work best. We shall see. is our finished sign to go in my office. I absolutely love it. I think it looks awesome. And we have used Totally Dazzled Bling Wrap. That is the black. And I outlined it in some of these gemstone stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree several weeks ago, actually last year, during the Christmas holidays, to give it a little bit of extra bling. Love it, love it, love it. And the next time you see it, it will be in the home tour for my office. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Louis Vuitton fashion sign to go in my office. I absolutely love it. I hope you do as well. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not yet a member of my YouTube family, I hope you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.